Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Shop Missy haul. So you want to see what I picked up. I think I have a couple of repurchases. We're going to go through those first. And we have a couple of new makeup products. We have some really exciting things in here. So if you want to see what I picked up from Shop Missy, just keep on watching. And also, I do have a Shop Missy playlist, which is always linked down below if you want to catch up on my past videos. Let's get into it. All right, so let's start off with the products that I repurchased. I went ahead and repurchased my favorite eyelashes from Shop Missy. These are the Airways Studio Bionic Vegan Mink eyelashes in the style Tyche, Tyche. So good, love these. So I just had to pick up a couple more. So this was a deceivement. Okay, I went on the site and I saw that they had the no pore face primer. You guys know, if you guys follow me and have been on my channel, I already own this, but on the site it has a different packaging. So it looks purple, it looks really cool. So I'm like, oh my god, they switched up the packaging. Let me go ahead and pick it up again because, you know, I need it in the new packaging for some reason. Comes in exact same packaging and everything. So I don't know what happened, but I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Now I have a backup for some reason. I have to look through my primers and see if I own this. I honestly don't remember, but if I don't, then it was a happy coincidence. But this is the no pore face primer. It is more on the silicone type of things when it comes to their primers on the site. Really nice. I really enjoy it. It doesn't peel on me. I really love that, and it actually is a really nice primer. So I'm glad that I purchased it, but I thought it was going to be a cuter packaging. I'm sad. I also went ahead and repurchased the LA Colors Highlight and Contour Palette. So this one here is in medium tan. So this one I actually just finished up the cream side, I believe. I'm working on the like contour side. So I went ahead and repurchased it because why not? I love this product. I've been purchasing it since I saw it at the Dollar Tree. They have it on Shop Missy. They have it everywhere. I love this. So this little duo is amazing. So if you've been looking for a contour duo situation, they have them on Shop Missy. I went ahead and repurchased this as well. Airways Studio Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade. It's already dry, girl. I don't know what to tell you. This one here is in the shade medium brown. It's already dry. This is why I got rid of my other one. It's just like so dry. So I'm just gonna keep it. We're gonna put some drops or something in there to hydrate it and revive it, but that's the problem that I get with these products. They're just very easily dried up. LA Colors Liquid Makeup Foundation. I think I purchased this before. I honestly don't remember. I think this one here is a natural, and I love doing full faces of LA Colors. I like trying out different foundations. So I went ahead and picked this one up from the site. I had been seeing it for a while on the site. I just never really picked it up because I don't have high hopes for the formula. I did do a full face of Dollar Tree using my Shop My Stash makeup for the month of May. So you know, affordable makeup can blow you away sometimes. This foundation looks stunning. Only $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, but this is only $1 on Shop Missy, so you never know. Maybe it's amazing. We'll try it out. Another repurchase, Airways Studio Shield Butter Hand Cream. You guys know I love their hand creams. I have very dry skin, so it tends to get, especially here, like right now, I'm kind of dry, but I love trying out different lotions and just throwing them everywhere in my purse and my fanny pack in the car. I have lotions everywhere, so I just went ahead and picked up this pink one in rose. So this is not a repurchase per se. I guess it is. It's just the same lip balm in a different scent. So this is a Froyo Lip Balm Sweet Treat Situation. This one here is in Peachy Lala Passion Fruit. I already have the caramel whipped cream or something like that. This is so cute. I went ahead and picked it up in pink. There's like no scent to this. Weird, but it looks really cute. It's pink. We're gonna use it, so yeah. Situation with this, I already own this highlight. It's just in a different color that I purchased it. So this is the Everglow highlighter in Morning Star. Look at how beautiful that packaging is. I wasn't into it at first, but it really has grown on me. Oh, this color is beautiful. Let's go ahead and swatch. All right, so that's the shade Morning Star. Now we can get into the new product. So this is the Airways Studio Eyebrow Powder Situation. Yeah, brow powder in dark. And I had been seeing these on the site. I'm not into like powder products for my brows at the moment, but I just thought, why not pick it up? There's a look at that. This one here is in dark. I think it comes with a little applicator in here. About to break a nail. Yeah, comes with the applicator. It's just a duo eyebrow powder. We'll have to try it out and see my thoughts. I like that it comes with the applicator. Colors look like they might work for my hair, so we'll see how this works. I have some more brow products to talk about. I forgot to mention this earlier, but this is another shade in the Easy Brow Gel from AOA Studio, and this is the one in dark brown. I already own the one in clear. Just wanted to see if there's a difference with like the colors and stuff, because I don't really see a huge difference with the clear one. So I kind of want to test this out and see my thoughts. They went ahead and added dual brow pencils. So if you guys know me, I love the ones from She Glam. Comes with a micro brow pen and a like felt tip applicator as well. This one comes with a micro brow side as well as a chubby brow side, which looks very interesting. These are their dual brow definers, and I went ahead and picked up 2 different colors. We have the shade Ebony and the shade Dark Brown. I wasn't sure which one would work for my hair. Usually I go for Ebony. Look at how thin that is. Let me give it a swatch. Yeah, but you see Ebony now is looking like very dark. And then this side is more like a triangle kind of vibe, or teardrop shape. Same color, it's just different application. Go ahead and swatch Dark Brown. So there is Ebony and Dark Brown side by side. So I'm really excited about this. I really have been on a journey with my brows. They're just never perfect, but we're gonna have to see my thoughts on these products and see how well they work for me. Another product I already own. I haven't used it on my face. I don't know why. It's actually right behind me, but I went ahead and picked up the darker version. So this is a Pop Lush Contour Situation. These are called their Hello Define Duos. And again, I do already own the lighter version. I want to see how dark this one leaned, because the bronzer in the other one just seemed too light. Let's swatch them. Oh yeah, that's gonna work much better. Perfect. This is the lighter one that I have purchased. This one here is in Aloha. You see how it's just too light? Yeah, there's a difference there. Aloha, and then this one here is in Konnichiwa and Aloha. Another product I purchased in a different color. So this is the AOA Studio, what are you called? Lulu Luxie Lips. So I have an orange one, so I just went ahead and picked it up in pink. This just looks so cute. This is the one in cherry. As you can see, he's holding a cherry. How cute is that? So cute. I really loved the orange one, so I just went ahead and picked up this one here. It's just a gloss with some glitter in it. They added a new liner to the site. This is the Beauty Wing Stamp Eyeliner. Looks really cool. Comes with a regular tip eyeliner on one side and then a stamp on the other, so it just makes it really easy for people who don't know how to do their wings. You just go ahead and stamp and create your wing really fast. So I just wanted to try it out and see my thoughts on this. I think it only came in one color. So there's a look at that. I went ahead and took it out of the packaging. So let's see, that's the stamp side and then a chubby marker side. So that honestly looks really promising. It looks a little like it might fray, but we'll have to see how it works on the eyes. But it looks so cute. It's pink, adorable. So they went ahead and added little baby blenders. So these are their mini super soft Paw Wonder blenders. I already own the ones, you know, the bigger ones, which looks like so. It's dirty. I just use it. But these are the little mini ones. These are so cute. I think, how much this retail for? So you get 3 teardrop blenders and 3 beveled blenders. Not sure how much this retailed for. I think it was like maybe $5 or something. Super cute. Can't wait to try these on the face. I picked up all the lipsticks from this line. I don't know what they're called. They're part of the Papa line. It's cute little characters that they just added on their site, and they went ahead and made lipsticks. So let's just go ahead and swatch these, even though they were kind of annoying me because they're falling everywhere because the cap doesn't, like, you know, it doesn't stay on. Really annoying. But these, it's cute packaging. Let's just swatch them. This one here is in the shade Yummy. Looks to be a more like a purple color. It looks really nice. Oh, okay. Yeah, the thing with their lipsticks, they look dark in the tube, but they end up being light. So this is a vampy kind of color. It's like a red tone. Next we have this one here, little character. This one here is in Breezy. This one looks like it's gonna be pink. Oh, this one's like a true red. Oh, I think this one's gonna be a favorite, to be honest. It looks really nice. It's like a blue based red. Okay, again in the shade Breezy. Packaging does not match the color on the inside. This one is so adorable. This one here is in the shade Selfie. Looks like so. Very similar to the first color, but more like pinky. Next we have this little character here. This one here is in Snooze. Oh, this one's very sheer. There's a look at the shade Snooze. Next we have this one with a little cat and a heart. So cute, in the shade Soft Heart. Oh, this one's a nice color as well. Very pink. And lastly, the little penguin holding a heart. Super cute. This one here is in Moody. Ooh. Okay, so this is the darkest one, I guess. The purple. That looks so beautiful. These colors look stunning. Let me know what your favorite lipstick is. Did you pick up any of these? So cute. Love the packaging. Not sure what the actual formula is like. Wish they would fix that packaging flaw, because if you put it in your purse, girl, this is gonna get everywhere. Yeah. All right, so those were the last products from today's Shamasay haul. Let me know what your favorite product is. Did you enjoy this video? Did you pick up any of the new products that they added to their website? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a like if you like these types of videos. I have a Shamasay playlist linked down below. I'll keep making them if you like this video. Obviously, I always make Shamasay content. It's just taking a little while to get to me. That's the only thing. But if you like them, I'll keep making them. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you guys again in the next one. I don't know why I keep repeating myself. Bye.